Hello friends, welcome back to Future Genius. So friends, in today's lecture, we'll discuss about the basic structure of C program and along with, as we already covered the topic compiler and the interpreter, still we'll cover in this video also. So before starting with the structure of a C language, first we'll go with the compiler and interpreter. As we already know that compiler and interpreter both are used to convert our source program into the object code. Compiler like us says that it is determined during the compilation time and interpreter determined during the runtime only. Compiler translate the program happens during compilation only and it is interpreter says that during the runtime. Compiler generates machine code is stored in a secondary disk executed and since about interpreter, since the execution happen immediately after the program, so it should be available in a RAM only. Compiler is since compiler can perform compilation optimization, uh, it is much faster than an interpreter and compiler convert whole program altogether and interpreter is just like a convert line by line to our whole program. So this is the main difference as we already covered in our previous video. You can refer these videos also for this purpose. And about structure of a C language, there is some one header file and entry point of a program which is a main function, the most important main function, and after that running of a particular C program with the help of compiler and interpreter. So I'm just showing you the example of how to print a particular line. So for this purpose, we need to add the header file. These two are header file or a preprocessor that are always written so they're written in a form of hash and it always starts with a hash. And then there is a main function and then there is a curly braces like each and everything we need to enter in the main function. And then there is a printf statement that is used to print the data, and learning C language is like a whatever written in a double quotes in a printf statement is print as it is in our console. So this is the main program of a C language. First, we need to include the header file preprocessor. So for this purpose, we need to write hash include, that is stdio, that is standard input output header file. And the next one is conio, that is console input output dot h, as that is header file. And after that, there is a main function and we need to write each and everything into the main function. And you will notice that I have written something before main, that is void. It is a data type which will return nothing. That means I am writing this void in the front of main. That means I don't want to, I want to write anything in the main function in a return statement. So I can skip this with the help of void if I'm writing the void here. So this is the main program of a C language, like a basic program of a C language. Thank you.